Students, welcome back to our maths grade. Let's start our chapter, remaining chapter, that is circle. Today we are going to study problem set number 31. Before that we studied what is the circumference of a circle. What is the circumference of the circle? Okay. So for that, take a circle. Okay. Make a circle of look here, this is the circle I made from the paper. Okay, this is the circle. What is the circumference? We are going to study what is the circumference of the circle. तो circumference किसको बोलते हैं? तो this is the circle made by paper. Okay, unwind this or unlock this circle. ये circle का unlock किया. Then measure the strengthening part. Straight part करो. Look here like this. Straighten the part with the ruler. This is the ruler. Look here. This is the ruler and this is the circle, the straight part of a circle, and then measure it. Wait, we are going to study here. Look here. ये क्या था? सर्कल था. हमने उसको क्या किया? कट किया और उसका मेजर किया यहाँ से. Look, what is the measurement of this? Is 5.2. देखो 5 के 2 lines है. That means what is the measurement of this circle? 5.2. So this is called the circumference. So what is the circumference of this strip? ये strip का circumference कितना है? That is 5.2 centimeter इसका. Okay, तो circumference कैसे निकालने का? If you have a circle, cut it and measure what is the length of that string or that strip of a paper. This is called the circumference. Okay, now look here. What is an arc? Okay, what is that? Arc. Now look, we studied what is the circumference of a circle. Now we are going to study what is the arc of a circle. What is the arc of a circle? Okay, shown alongside is the plastic bangle. Look here, this is the bangle, a circle shape. If the bangle break at points, for example this is the bangle, अगर ये bangle broke हो जाती है, okay, glass bangle है, when this bangle broke at point A and B, ये bangle है, if it broke at point A and point B, okay, A और B point में अगर वो break हो जाती है, then A and B, it will be split into two parts as shown in the picture. Okay, look here, अगर ये टूट गई तो इसके two part बनेंगे. Each of these part is an arc of a circle. इसके जो ये दो parts हो गए हैं, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Arc of a circle. What do we say there? It is the arc of a circle. Understand? This is a bangle. If it is cut into two pieces, this one, this is a big piece and this one, अगर उसके दो पीस हो गए, A to B and again A to B, this is a big, that is large, and this one is small piece. Okay, so these two pieces are called arc of the circle. Okay, each part of this bangle is called the arc of a circle. Okay, look here, another example. Look this one. This is the example. Here what is given here? On the given circle, there are 2 points P and Q. This is a given circle. There are 2 points B and Q. What are these points? P and Q. On the given circle, there are 2 points, that is P and Q. Okay, these 2 points have divided. These 2 points have divided the circle into 2 parts. Point P and Q. Okay, point P and Q are divided this circle into 2 parts. P, this part, this one, okay, and this one. Okay, this part, this two parts have divided into circle into two parts. Each of these part is an arc of a circle. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Arc of the circles. Okay, this means that P and Q have created two arcs. This means P and Q से दो आर्क बन गए, है ना? जैसे यहाँ पे भी A और B था, अगर हम लोग इसके टू पार्ट्स करेंगे तो A to B, हाँ, this one is one part and A to B, this one is another part. Okay, like this. In this diagram, the PQ given diagram, P and Q are the 2 points, and these 2 points divided this circle into 2 parts. Each of these parts is an arc, this one and this one. But this means that P and Q have created 2 arcs. Okay, but are the end points of the both arc. यहाँ पे भी P and Q are the end point, P to Q, and this also P to Q. Okay, from the name arc PQ, we cannot say which of these two arcs are spoken of. अगर हम लोग इसका नाम ऐसे बताएंगे arc PQ, arc PQ, तो हम लोग किसके बारे में बोल रहे हैं? We cannot say which of these arc are speaking of, है ना? Here also look here, AB, RKB, RKB. So when we are talking about the arcs, so we are which part? We cannot say which two arcs are there speaking of. So an additional point is taken on each arc. इसके लिए हमने यहाँ पे कुछ additional point लिए हैं. This point is used to give each arc a 3-letter name. इसके लिए हम इस arc को 3-letter name देते हैं. Look here, here is point S and here is point R. Okay, that means there are 3 letters in this figure. This figure there are 2 arcs. अभी यहाँ पे 2 arc बन गए. Which are 2 arcs? तो arc. What is the name of this arc? ARC, arc. First arc है PSQ. PSQ. First one is PSQ. And second one is arc PRQ. Which one? PRQ. Arc PRQ. Understand? Okay? Understand or not? Once again I am going to explain you this one. Look here, on this given diagram there are 2 points, point P and point Q. These 2 points have divided this circle into 2 parts. Each of these parts, this one part 1, part 2, these 2 parts are called arc of the circle. This means that P and Q have created 2 arcs, and P and Q are the end points of these both the arcs. But both the arcs, okay, from the name arc PQ, अगर हम लोग इसका नाम लेंगे arc PQ, okay, we cannot say which of the 2 arcs we are speaking of. किसके बारे में हम लोग बात करें हमें समझ में नहीं आता. So we are going to add additional point. इसके लिए हमने यहाँ पे additional point दिया, point S, और यहाँ पे point R. Okay, so additional point is taken on each arc. This point is used to give each arc as a 3-letter name. इसलिए हमने इस आर्क का 3-letter नेम दिया. तो हमें पता चलता है ना, PSQ मतलब दिस वन आर्क, एंड PRQ दैट मीन्स दिस आर्क. ओके, इन दिस फिगर द नेम ऑफ द फर्स्ट आर्क इज आर्क PSQ and arc PRQ. Like this we can write their names. Okay, understand what is the arc?